Welcome to DaVinix, an interactive, flexible platform that enables you to address training and process management challenges. You can easily upload or create customized content that can zero in on specific pain points that relate to training gaps or process inconsistencies. On the DaVinix platform, you can load and manage training content and track and assess learning progress. You can also create step-by-step processes like checklists, troubleshooting routines, or safety protocols. And you can combine the two, training and process guidance, to form on-the-job micro-training and procedure routines. It helps your new employees get onboarded and productive quickly, and can also be used to upskill your people. You'll be able to drive accountability and gain visibility with your team, all while ensuring consistent execution of key processes. Your people can easily access DaVinix from any smart device for a hands-free, voice-enabled experience anytime, from anywhere. Let's have a look at what a user will experience when they go into the DaVinix app. When your people go in to run a process or experience a lesson, they will tap Run, and there they will see either processes or lessons that have been assigned to them. The DaVinix app is interactive, so you can both collect and convey information via voice or tap. In this case, we'll enter the vehicle number that is identifying information. It's easy to set up lists of cities, departments, or even names of supervisors to select from. Whether it's a training lesson or a process to be executed, it's very easy to break them into sections and they can be taken in any order. A key feature of the app is the ability to create these custom tables that enable a technician or anyone to work through a process really quickly and tap pre-designated answers. You can also add optional notes in this case. The concept of weaving in training into a process is shown here, where reference material has been added that can be, the user simply swipes back and forth and can enlarge further to get a closer look. Yes/no conditional logic offers a way of creating different paths through a process based on a set of conditions. Integrated video is a great way to add training components to any process or any lesson. In this case, we can watch just a few seconds of a video that pertain to this particular step, as opposed to having the user watch an entire video just for help with one step.
Rotor, and then it will squeal. So this one has a gap of 5.
In this last section we'll do, this shows how you can upload entire training content in the form of a PDF, a PowerPoint, or Word document for your people to refer to and to learn from. This can be broken into sections as we described earlier, or uploaded in its entirety. And then we'll ask a couple of questions to assess understanding. We'll answer this one correctly. That's a true-false version of a question, and then you can add multiple choice questions as well. And we'll answer this one incorrectly so you can see how it's displayed on the report afterwards. The correct answers are embedded into the process when it's set up. Now we'll do the finishing steps. Photo verification is a great way to confirm that a task has been completed or to document conditions of a site or a particular piece of equipment. Confirmation steps are a great way to affirm and place accountability. It's a very clear indication that someone is agreeing that they follow the company's policies and procedures. And there's also a signature step feature as well. Signatures, of course, lend themselves to additional accountability as well as meeting any statutory requirements. Reports are generated automatically, and the user who's just completed a process or an inspection can pull up the report, and the report is also available right away on the dashboard on the admin site to the supervisor. And you can see here we've got the start time, the stop time, how long it took to get through. There's a warning flag that is connected to the wrong answer. And you can see all the data that we've collected here. So this report's available to download and send right away to share information or to create an audit trail. And again, all of the reports are available to supervisors and admins, anybody you designate on the platform itself. And in this case, we answered the multiple choice question in error. The correct answer is on the right. The cell is highlighted because the answer was wrong. And as I mentioned, that's available right away on the platform, and we'll go to that next. Now, how does all your training and process content get onto the DaVinix platform? Simple, 2 ways. We can do it for you. You can upload your documentation from your DaVinix account, and it will be transformed and ready to use within a couple of days. Or you can do it on your own. By using our intuitive visual editing tools, you can easily create and edit content that you can start using right away. If you'd like to learn more, we can show you how the DaVinix platform will help you create workflows with deadlines and reminders to focus your team on their priorities. And you can organize, assign, and track workflow progress of training modules and processes. You'll also use the platform to gain visibility to your team's activities through the automated reporting and an analytics dashboard that offers a host of insights. And there's much more. All these tools allow you to implement training and processes in ways that quickly address your most pressing challenges with respect to consistency, visibility, and accountability for your team. The DaVinix platform is easy to use, easy to implement, and easy to maintain. You can be up and running in minutes. Please set up a free trial account to see for yourself, or reach out to us to schedule a live intro session. We look forward to connecting with you soon, and thanks for your interest in DaVinix.